Okay, so this is the spreadsheet. We have first name, last name, address, which is just the street, city, state, zip, phone, and email. So the pane that we have to do is click there on the first little cell, cut all of this information, and in Excel I can just go to the next line and it takes care of it. Here it does not in a Google Doc, so I have to do that and then enter, and then click back there, paste. We're going to get rid of the comma, just leave the first name, paste in the city, and then, oops, I mean the street. So it's very easy, but it's very tedious, especially having to hit enter each time you cut stuff from here. You don't have, if you have Excel, you are welcome to copy and paste this into Excel because it's much easier there. But that is basically all that you have to do. Go through each line, cut, enter, go to the next cell, paste, get rid of any of the words. And on this email, sometimes you have in here work for a work number and they have notes, or they may have a work number. Just delete all of that. We only need the one phone number, and it did not delete. So that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, just ask me and have fun with it. I've put you, I think, about 130 in here, 146. So they usually take me about a minute a piece, and that was including copying them over and dropping them into the spreadsheet. So I've already done all that for you. But it should be around 2 hours worth of work. And I'm going to share this with you in Facebook. So if you have any other questions, just let me know.